Hey guys, want to know how to add data to an array list in Kotlin? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, I'm in kotlinland.org and inside the Kotlin playground. So to get to it, just simply select play and then playground. Now just simply type in this code located on the screen right here, and I'll be explaining how this code works. First, we need to create an empty array list using ArrayList with a data type. For this video, I'm using string for a list of fruit names. Then use the add function in order to insert data like apple, banana and mango. Finally, we print out the contents of the array list with println, showing apple, banana and mango in the printout. So that's it. Array lists in Kotlin are great because they allow dynamic resizing. You can help adding as much data as you want. And that's how you add data to your array list in Kotlin. And there you have it. Now your data will be shown. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.